Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. Elementor has raised the 15 million Series A led by Lightspeed Venture Partners. Elementor is a page builder plugin that is hosted on the WordPress repository as a free plugin with some premium features available. With this kind of funds, maybe we'll see a new platform where you can simply use Elementor to build your own website with a WordPress under the hood? Who knows? We're looking forward for the future of Elementor. On other WordPress news, the version 5.4 that is scheduled to be released on March 31st has another version up for testing. It's still in development, so we don't recommend running it on your own website. More editor fixes and site health changes are on our way. That's it for the week. Have a wonderful weekend!